I'm Dave Lareau, the CEO of Medicomp Systems. We'll be at HIMSS in Las Vegas next month in booth 3421, and we'll be showing our Quip clinical data engine and related workflow tools that support clinical usability at the point of care. You're not going to hear a lot about clinical usability at the upcoming HIMSS conference, but when people do talk about it, they're going to talk about supporting interoperability, the 21st Century Cures Act. You're also going to hear a lot about artificial intelligence, particularly what's called ambient AI, which is hanging microphones in an exam room to record an encounter, convert it to text, and then magically turn that into data. We consider that an expansion of the use of the EHR as a giant electronic dumpster. Just take whatever you want, dump it in there. We'll figure out later what it all means. We'll figure that out by using algorithms or by using manual reviewers. We call that dumpster diving for data, and we actually think there's a better way to go about this. The better way to go about it, which we will have partners showing in our booth at HIMSS, is to build a system that presents, captures, and supports the use of clinical data connected at the point of care. And the challenge is, how do you present what's relevant? So our clinical data relevancy engine has more than 10 million links between all the items in the engine so that on a particular diagnosis or problem, the user can be presented with the things that are relevant to address that problem, to diagnose it or treat it. I won't talk much more about that, but you can come by and see that at our booth from some of our partners. Holy Name Medical Center in Teaneck, New Jersey decided they were frustrated with all of the electronic health records and hospital information systems they saw out there, so they actually decided to build their own. And they built it around our Quip clinical data relevancy engine. It's now live in their emergency department, and they'll be showing that at our booth at HIMSS. The other thing that we're proud to show is our partnership with Intelligent, a company that has what we believe is the leading natural language processing, or NLP technology, and they have aimed their technology at our clinical data engine. The combination of these two technologies allows us to show a diagnostically and problem-oriented view of free text notes, in addition to a filtered view of items that are mapped to LOINC, SNOMED, RX, NORM, etc. Both of these companies will be showing what they have done with our Quip clinical data engine, and we'll also be showing the engine in its form that's available to anybody who wants to make their products or their EHRs usable at the point of care. So come by and see us in booth 3421. We'd love to see you.